Africell Tips and Tricks episode. Today's episode is about mobile maintenance, so let's dive in. Protect your device from scratches, cracks, or any damage by using a screen protector and a protective case. Cache and temporary files can accumulate on your device, taking a good storage space and slowing down performance. Use built-in tools or third-party apps to clear cache and temporal files. Regularly review the storage space on your device can remove unnecessary files, apps, photo, and video. Consider transferring large files to cloud or external storage device to free up some space. Install reputable antivirus or security software from trusted app stores on your device to protect against malware, viruses, and other security threats. Make sure you use these tips and tricks for a long durability of your mobile phone. See you in next episode.